I'm Michelle Vaccarello, Senior Digital Editor of Pharmaceutical Manufacturing and PharmaQBD.com, and I'm here today with Dr. Ivan Coulter, who's the CEO of Sigmoid Pharma here in the Invent Center in Dublin City University. Thanks, Ivan, for being with us.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for your visit.
Absolutely. Can you tell us a little bit about Sigmoid Pharma, what you do here?
Yeah, Sigmoid Pharma does effectively two things. One, it develops innovative proprietary drug delivery technologies, and we have two. One is called LEDs, one is called Simple. And the second thing we do is we use these technologies to develop new formulations of old drugs that we can then find new uses for.
Okay, can you expand on the LEDs and Simple technology a little bit?
Yeah, both LEDs and Simple do a number of things. Primarily what they do is they enhance solubility, enhance permeability, and control stability. Traditionally, these have been disparate entities, but using our technology, we've been able to combine enhanced solubility, enhanced permeability, and enhanced stability.
Okay, what are the key benefits, the key clinical benefits of LEDs and the key product developments?
The first benefit really is a technical benefit. What we can do, we can pre-solubilize, so it's like pre-programming a drug to be soluble when it's released from our format. The clinical benefits then are most immediately once-a-day products. Secondly, safer products. And thirdly, we can actually develop combination products. But in all these instances, we can control the release of a drug either over a 24-hour period or specifically to different regions of the gastrointestinal tract, either the stomach, the small intestine, or the colon.
And do you have any plans in the future for large commercial manufacturing?
We do, and one of the advantages of both Simple and LEDs technologies are that they are eminently scalable. So we can produce very small batches for small-scale animal or human clinical studies, right up to commercial-scale batches. So the technology can go from grams to kilograms to tens of kilograms to tons.
And can you tell us about the facility that you have here, what exactly you do in the Invent Center?
Yeah, the facility is a very integrated facility. It's got a basic formulation lab where we develop the basic formulations at the very beginning. So if a company comes to us with a drug that it needs formulated, this is where we do the initial testing of the formulations. And then we can test those in our analytical labs. Then we can manufacture them, and then we can test them for release into human or animal studies. So we, under one roof, have a very integrated approach. The advantage of this is that all our groupings, whether they're basic formulators, manufacturers, or analytical people, they're all talking to each other. They all understand what each of them are doing, and this allows for very fast feedback and fast turnaround time. So if somebody comes to us with a compound for formulation, we can very rapidly develop it and give it back to them in an improved format.
And do you collaborate with other universities here in Dublin or internationally?
Yeah, ever since the very beginning, Sigmoid developed a lot of collaborations with both Irish and international academic groups. And what this provided Sigmoid with access to was one, expertise, and two, facilities, but also a lot of grant aid from different funding agencies in Ireland and the European Union. And one of the things that this technology allowed us to do, it didn't actually lead to the development of new technologies, but what it did was it allowed us to test the limits of our technology and also validate the technology across a number of criteria.
And what can you offer companies that are looking to collaborate with you?
Well, primarily, one of the interesting things at the moment is as drugs are becoming more specific, they are also becoming more complex. And with this complexity comes a number of problems. You've got solubility problems and permeability problems, and about 40% of all drugs, both in the clinic and in development, have significant solubility and permeability problems. So what we can do, we can work with those companies to address the solubility and permeability and stability problems as a collective solution. So for companies with a very exciting compound, either at early stage development or indeed as a compound might be about to lose patent protection, we can develop advanced formulations either to expedite development or extend the patent life of those products.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Ivan. I really
appreciate
it was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Time.
Yeah, thank you.